Today, a group of students of standard 6, 7, and 8, along with their teachers, went out for a nature walk in the outskirts of the city. The students were very happy to see the birds, trees, cultivation, and understand the local village lifestyle. They had many questions and they were answered by Mrs. C. Dasgupta, CD ma'am, and also Sir. They were accompanied by Mrs. Anjana, Miss Urvashi, and Miss Alia. There were so many things to watch and so many things to understand. They also spotted peacock and the new names of many birds. They also visited an organic farm where they saw more birds, trees, and got a much needed break. During their stay in this farm, they also watched many rare plants and also understood how solar power is used for farming techniques. We look forward to more such nature trips where children appreciate nature.
Say something. Say, how was the nature walk? What birds did you see?
And see the peacock and bulbul.
What else? Abhishek, what did you see?
We have seen many birds
Like? Ish.
like red-fronted bulbul, red-fronted bulbul, and
Black-headed oriole,
peacock,
peacock, red wattle lapwing. Isn't it, Ishan? Yeah.
grey flying,
Grey francolin. Good, good.
So, all the nature walk participants, did you enjoy your trip today?
Yeah.
Okay, Avni, which bird did you like the best?
Sir, the green bee eater.
Okay, can anyone else tell me names of another three birds that you saw? Anyone? Yes,
Polyandry magpie robin.
and one more?
Black-eyed
Black-eyed koel. Koel, okay, very good. And any kind of two trees that you saw? Okay, 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 poplar. Okay, and can you? We look forward to more such nature trips in the future and wish all the students a happy summer vacation.